Welcome back guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, it's great. There's actually one on this house. You guys have been checking it out, by the way. Oh, potential sponsor, guys. It's finally happened. All you guys subscribing, all you guys commenting, sharing, just watching the videos. It's finally working out. We'll see. And I actually agree in the product. I believe in the product, and you will too. Just watch. Let's get a call from an old customer of mine. Nice new house. Really nice new house. Dryer, I already have it running. I don't want to look. I'll take a couple photos of behind there and put it in the video, but I'm not gonna video in here, and it's because it's a well-known person, so we'll just leave it at that. But here's our dryer vent. You can see it doesn't have a cap on it, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna do with that, but I'm gonna make this video just about the cleaning, because this is gonna be, this right here, putting a cap on this is gonna be tough, guys. I'm gonna have to think on that. So without further ado, let's clean out a dryer vent, shall we? Okay, so just like normal, guys, I'm gonna start with the air. Check this air flow. Bam, zeroed out, cubic feet per minute. Oh no, it won't even barely register. What does that say? 216? Oh Lord. Okay, all right, so this one may be a little more gangster than I thought. But either way, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here, man. It's a shame. These big houses, it seems to always happen. But not with the smaller cookie cutter houses, but with these big ones, yeah. So, y'all hit that like button, hit that share button, hit the subscribe button. Let's clean out this dryer vent. All right, guys, here goes nothing. Hope. Now, I want you guys to watch. As I break this free, you'll start to see the dust fly farther and farther and farther from right here. Let's see, just watch. Goodness. Goodness. Can you guys see how far out it's already coming? Look. Hard to believe that was it, but maybe. All right, well, yep, very possible. Look at that. So that shows you guys, I mean, it's a short vent regardless, but look at how hard it's blowing now. It's blowing it when I hold it way out here. Ha. All right, man, now to try to tackle this. My goal is to put this on there eventually, and to put this cap on it. Now, hopefully you guys, let me see. All right, so I've got so much working against me, right? Not only do I have this upper lip here that's stopping me, it's keeping me about 3/8 of an inch too low. I also have, see these different levels? So I've got to try to figure out a way. I got to try to figure out a way to put this damper on, man. This is tough. This one's tough. As you guys can see, safety glasses. But I appreciate you guys, man. I never used to wear a mask before I had a YouTube channel. And then I got jumped on enough, and I appreciate it. To the point now where I gotta wear a mask. So that's good. That's progress, I guess. All right, only one way to do it. All right. So I'm gonna have to bring in some power tools. I'm gonna have to cut that off there, and then I'm gonna have to chisel into these. I don't know, we'll see. One thing I do want to do is mark kind of where this is gonna be. And if you see, if you just push down on it, it'll at least leave you something. All right, so now I know where that is. Oh yeah, and something homeowners don't think about. And it is what it is, cost of doing business, but I've got to make precision cuts on this, so of course I had to buy a new blade. Well, I mean, yeah, a new blade's 30 bucks. But that's just one piece, right? So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna get this ready and see what I can do with this ledge, and then go from there. Almost forgot. One way to find out. Dummy. All right, let's see. This to at least not quite. There ain't no way more of this has got to come off. I'm fitting to take all of that off. I don't have a choice. Alright, I dig it. So from there to there, basically, we gotta pop that. Alright. We'll do that. And this is all just to get the top part of the damper right. Jeez, dude. All right, so for now you can see I've got it seated. Man. All right, well, I thought I was recording. Evidently, I wasn't. So, oh well. Sorry. But all right, so that's in there. Now, I'm not able it just is what it is, guys. I'm not able to put a screw in back here. And even if I did, it's not going to hold. But this thing is on there. So something else you guys got to watch out for, man. See this? I could have cut that. That would have been no bueno. So now, and you can also see I can't go but so deep right here because the foundation underneath the foundation wall. So let me put this down. Hold on. All right. And yeah, see, I would have liked it to go down farther, but I got to work with what I have. But instead of bolting it to the wall, I'm just going to fill it in with this dirt that I pulled out. Where's my shovel? Alright, well, now it's going to vent the proper way. And it's in there good. It's in there snug. Alright, boys and girls, that's going to wrap it up. Can't go inside just because I told them I'm not, there's no need. I tested the airflow. This is a 2-day job. So, well, not 2 days, but I had to come back. So, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, guys. It's great. Put one on this house. They love it already. They're so close to the wall. The machine can still breathe. It's all good. So, until next time, we'll see you. Thank you. Cheers.